You are in this video because I know you were also struggling, and don't worry because before I was there, we've been there. How to get that 1,000 subscribers in just 3 weeks? Well, good news is definitely we can just get that. So as part of our 1,000 subscribers Thanksgiving video, we will give you right now, right here, our tips in getting that 1,000 subscribers as quick as possible. Welcome to the Green Minded Project special video episode, how to get that 1,000 subscribers in 3 weeks. Well, first, why do we really have to get that 1,000 subscribers? This is basically one of the requirements that YouTube give us so that our channel will be monetized. What is monetization? It is where we earn from our YouTube videos. Wow. Goal setting. We always have to make our goals. When do we need to hit that 1,000 subscribers? When do we need to do this and to do that thing? This is not only about YouTube, but this is also about our lives. When we set up goal, then definitely we have something to look forward into. Now, how do you set up that goal? This is how I set up my goal. For example, I'm gonna say, in 3 weeks, I have to have 1,000 subscribers. In 2 weeks, I have to have 400 subscribers. So I advise you that you put that goal on your list. When do you want to hit this? So I call this an end goal or a graduation goal. So for example, when you are just starting, you have to think, what is that goal that you want to hit, so that what you are doing has a path, has a way, and has a road that you're gonna hit that goal no matter what. So you have to set your goals. Say you have finished your goals, you already set up your goals. Now what is the next thing that you have to do? Well, the next thing is that very simple. You just have to do things in order for you to meet that goals. So you have to think, how would I get this now? The how question comes in now, and then this is what you're gonna do in order for you to reach that goal of yours. For example, that 1,000 subscribers within 1 or 3 weeks. What are the things that you have to do? Now you have to make your plan on that. For example, you're gonna share it on Facebook, you're gonna ask your friends, you're gonna tell them that you have a YouTube channel, you're gonna prepare everything every time you meet someone. Hey, I've got a YouTube channel, can you subscribe? Or would you like, if you're interested, then please look into my channel, stuff like this. So these are just one of the ways that you can do in order to hit that. But what I'm trying to point out is you have to have this ladder plan, a ladder plan on how to reach that goal. For example, if you want to lose your weight, alright, if you want to lose your weight in 1 month, then what are the things that you should do to get this? It's just the same with YouTube. If you want to reach 1,000 subscribers, then what are you going to do to reach this one? And this is where the next tip comes in. Advertise. Wow, big word, advertisement. Okay, this is where we are going to invite our friends, our family, our loved ones, and everybody on Facebook and social media to let the people know that, oh, hey, we have a channel. We're very excited to share. You must be very excited to share this YouTube channel of yours to your friends. Why? Because if they feel that you're excited, then they might be excited as well, right? It's just like a domino. When you feel something, and then somebody will be affected as well based on your emotions, all right? So you have to be excited and sharing and be proud of your channel, all right? You have to share it on any social platform so that people will know. Now come to think of this. For example, you are selling something. You are selling a specific product. How will people know? Of course, you have to tell them with the power of your words, social media, emails, letters, or by simply talking with each other, then you can introduce something. It's like that. You have to be proud of your content. Okay, you have to be proud of your channel, and this way you can advertise that fully. Now mind you, not all will subscribe, not all will do as what you say, but at least you are still trying, okay? You are still trying and you are still pushing through. Just keep going, okay? Now listen, you have your friends, and there are friends that will really help you no matter what it takes. Ask them. Ask them to ask people to subscribe on your channel. Yes, that's it. So it sounds weird, it sounds shamey. Am I right in the term? It's like you're gonna be shy to do that, right? But guys, You have your goal already. You have your goals. So you have to do what it takes to reach that goal. Now, don't be shy to ask your friends and those people who believe in you and trust you. Because no matter what, when they believe you and when they trust you, they will always be there to help you. This is where you can find real friends. Alright? So those friends that really help you a lot, don't worry, Ron. I'm gonna help you. Not only that, I'm gonna share this on Facebook, I'm gonna invite my friends to like and subscribe on this channel. Alright? So I want to give that super thanks and shout out to my friends out there. You know who you are. You really know who you are, who were there to support us and inviting other people as well to check on our YouTube and subscribe on our YouTube channel. So thank you so much for that, because you're not only helping us, but you're also helping them to subscribe on this green-minded project and making the world green. And now, since you are on YouTube, then you've got to connect with your fellow YouTube content maker. Yes, you have to connect with them. So it's not only you and YouTube, millions of YouTube content makers. YouTube has been here for years now, and definitely there are people who went ahead of you first, alright? And there are so many people around this world who are also trying to make their YouTube channel for fun, for memories, to document whatever they want, and to share and impart that knowledge to all subscribers or even YouTube watchers or viewers, right? So now you have to connect with them. Make a connection with this community. Why? Because they will keep you going. They will keep you motivated, and they will support you. They will support you, you will support them, and there's a network being created in the YouTube channel. It's not only about being popular or being a public figure, but it's about connecting and making friends with your fellow content maker. Believe me, I have learned a lot. We have learned a lot from our fellow content maker, how to do this, how to do that, what to do, and how to improve, what to remove, and what to add on the videos, okay? So you have to connect with them, because the first support that you can get actually is from your fellow content maker. So make friends with them, get ideas from them, and share your ideas as well with them. If you are a content maker, then we are very much willing to collaborate with you, okay? So don't hesitate to email us or to message us, comment down below, and click that email address I have linked on the description so that we can make a collaboration and you can connect with me, because this world of YouTube is about friendship, about camaraderie, and about a big whole network. Here comes content. Now let's talk about content. What are the people gonna expect on your channel? What are they gonna watch on your channel? Is it educational? Is it for fun? They can be inspired, something like that. So what is that channel that you want to give them? I would like to discourage you to do content like one day of my life, my travel, my daily routine. Well, you can do that unless you're very, very famous already, okay? So, well, who cares, right? I mean, who cares? What? Daily routine? And I don't know, I'm sorry guys, but this kind of content is not gonna work as of now, because you are just starting. Unless you are a superstar, like a Hollywood superstar, a famous star, that you don't really need to introduce your channel anymore, and they have to look upon what are your things. Wait until you become a famous one, and then you can put your daily routine, and then people will just ask you, wow, is it how you do your daily routine, stuff like that, okay? So I discourage you to do this kind of content. You should have an intended audience. For example, this project is intended for all people who love greens, and the vision of this channel is for us to love green and have a healthy living and green living and planting our own food and creating and taking care of different plants, like these plants on my back. Look at that. So they are cactus and I love it. Okay? So when you make a content, make sure that it's specific. You have a vision and you have a mission in creating this, because these people subscribing to you is waiting. They're expecting to watch something. Guys, loves, content is very important. Actually, every time the subscribers is going up, I'm getting worried and I'm getting confused on what is the next content that I'm going to put, because people are now checking on the channel. So you really have to think of the content that you're gonna make. And for our final tip for this video is consistency. Yes, you have to be consistent. It's really hard to be consistent, love, mind you. Believe me, there will be times that you're gonna be tired of taping, no one is watching, no one is subscribing. even now, even until now, I can feel this way. The only thing in order for us to solve this is to be consistent. We are consistent in our uploads, in our tapings, okay, in our video content making, so we should be consistent on this one. So try to talk to your subscribers, whether when you're gonna upload videos, you can do it one time or 2 times a week or once a month. It's okay as long as you are consistent. But the only thing is that the more you upload, the more you are being seen on social media platform. But 2 times or 3 times a week, well, that's gonna be double, or that's gonna be double amount of your popularity on YouTube, and people will know that, oh, he is consistent in uploading videos. So be consistent and keep going. And there you have it, loves, our tips in order for you to reach that 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. We have a lot of videos about gardening, about farming. These are the videos, so please click on them. The link are situated on the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this, and please share this so that we can share different tips and we can help each other grow. Once again, loves, thank you so much for watching. We will be seeing you on our next videos. Goodbye!